We said that any price between the two opportunity costs will be a fair price for trading. So let's choose a price between 2 and 4. Let's choose the price of 3. So suppose the two of them trade one home good for 3 market goods. And for the sake of this example, just to make it a little easier, assume that there are many Abes and many Sarahs in the world. So you don't have to trade just with one partner. You can trade with as many partners as you want. Well, let's think what this price ratio does to their possibilities in terms of consumption. Abe looks at this price ratio and says the following. Well, my opportunity cost of producing home goods is greater than 3. So I will specialize in market goods and I will sell some of my market goods for home goods. If Abe sells all his market goods for home goods, we will have 96 divided by 3, or 33 units of home goods. So again, this is 96 divided by the price of 3, or a maximum of 33 units of home goods. In other words, instead of being restricted to his production possibility frontier, Abe now has the ability of consuming on this second line, this further out, or this pink line. We call this second line the consumption possibilities frontier. Because, as the name suggests, this is the frontier of his consumption possibilities, the possibilities in terms of what he can consume. And what does this consumption possibility frontier depend on? Well, first of all, it depends on what his resources were on his original production possibility frontier. But it also depends, of course, on the price ratio. And in this case, we set the price ratio of 3. Let's go ahead and draw the consumption possibility frontier for Sarah. So Sarah has her production possibility frontier. She looks at the same price ratio and says the following. This price ratio of 3 units of market goods is more than my opportunity costs of a home good. In other words, it's better for me to buy market goods than to produce them by myself. I'd rather be producing here, taking my home goods and selling them for 3 units of market goods for 1 unit of home goods. And how many units of market goods would she achieve? Well, 60 times 3 is equal to 180. So 180, again, this is 60 times 3. That is the maximum amount of market goods that she could consume. And joining these 2 points, we have the consumption possibility frontier for Sarah. And we can see that both of them, with the gains from trade, are achieving things that they couldn't achieve otherwise. Both of them now have consumption possibility frontiers that are outside their production possibility frontier.